10 DIY skincare tricks that will make you look gorgeous and nourished at any time even without makeup. Every girl wants to be beautiful and attractive. Luckily, you do not have to spend much money on expensive products to achieve that. We have prepared some home beauty products for you that will save you time and money. 1. Salty water will help you get rid of the swelling and will make your face look fresher. Dilute some salt into some water, making sure that the solution is highly concentrated. Soak a towel in it and apply it onto your face, holding for about 10 minutes. 2. Make your lips look fuller with the help of oil and toothbrush. Apply a small amount of any cosmetic oil onto your lips, peach oil, almond oil, or regular lip balsam. Then, take a soft toothbrush and gently rub your lips with it for about a minute. 3. Massaging your face with olive oil will help you make your skin cleaner, softer, and smoother. First, wash your face well and then massage it with olive oil for about 7 minutes. In order to get the best results, repeat the procedure every 4 to 5 days. 4. A completely natural makeup remover. Mix some clean water and some olive oil in the ratio 1:3 in a glass jar and stir well until the ingredients merge well. This is it. 5. Use baking soda to solve the problem of ingrown hair. This is very easy to do. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to a small container, a teaspoon of grinded oatmeal, and a teaspoon of water. Mix everything well until you get a thick paste. Apply the mixture onto your skin and leave it for about 5 minutes. In the end, wash your skin off using warm water. 6. Use baking soda to get rid of the bags under your eyes. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to a glass of warm water or tea and mix well. Soak a cotton ball into this solution and apply it onto the area under your eyes. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes, and wash off the remainder. In the end, apply some hydrating face cream. Repeat this procedure on a daily basis and the first results will become visible very soon. 7. Banana hair mask for shiny hair. For the preparation of this mask you will need 1 banana, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of honey, and half a glass of beer. Mix all ingredients together and stir until you get a smooth mixture. Apply this mask onto your hair and hold it for a couple of hours. Then, wash it off using warm water. Use this mask once a week and very soon you will get amazing results. 8. Use coconut and lavender oil to speed grow your eyelashes. Combine half a teaspoon of coconut oil with 2 to 4 drops of essential lavender oil. Using cotton, gently apply this mixture onto your eyelashes, from the roots to the tips. Repeat this 3 times a week and your eyelashes will become thicker and shinier. You can also use castor oil and lemon. 9. Honey can help you reduce the inflammation and get rid of the acne. In case that some pimple or acne appears on your face before some important meeting or date, there is a way for you to get rid of it in no time. Apply some honey directly onto the pimple and let it on for about 15 minutes. Then, wash off using warm water. This will help you reduce its size and make it less noticeable, which is a lot easier to cover with makeup. 10. Use eye drops to reduce the inflammation of your face skin. Another way that can help you get rid of the pimples is to use eye drops. Soak a cotton ball into these drops and put it into the freezer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, gently press it onto the inflamed area and the pimple will become almost unnoticeable.
So far away.